I have a really old power strip here that has a switch and perfectly fine. I would like to repair it. There's something wrong with it and I don't exactly know what. I got it from somebody who abused it with coffee and yeah, other stuff happened to it. So I would like to repair it because it doesn't have those pesky child lock things. You can just plug in the cords that you want and no frustrations trying to push as hard as you can. Most of us are apparently not stronger than children, so yeah, that's why I want to repair this. This is an old-fashioned power strip and yeah, it's put together with screws. Some are under this cap. It's pink for some reason. Okay, let's take out the screws and let's see what's inside. Oh boy, long, nice, shiny screws. I like this. Yeah, two. This was actually engineered. It has two screws in the middle and two screws at the other end. Wow, somebody thought this through. I'm amazed. Nowadays they just slap some plastics together and there you go. There's a power strip. Oh yeah, and some metal parts too, but that's shrinking by the day. They don't want to engineer stuff. They engineer for fast manufacturing, fast and cheap. So let's see. One more screw and we're out. So the complaint I got is that the last plug doesn't work. I'm especially curious to see what that is. So let's see. Oh boy. Lot of dirt. And oh yeah, it's just bent. Can you see? This is bent. If it were straight it would work fine, but it's a little bent to the right, I mean left, and it didn't it's not at the hole, so yeah, that's an obvious problem. Let's see what else. Corrosion, yeah, that's what coffee does. And yeah, maybe these are not where they're supposed to be, the grounding pads. I don't know why. They are not flat to the... I don't understand why they made it like this, but yeah, it works, I guess. And it's nice. You can just get the wires out by screws. Should I get it out? Oh yeah, that's my main goal. I want to get rid of this extra wire that has been spliced in to make it longer. Maybe it was done relatively professionally, but yeah, I just want to get rid of it. I don't need the extra length. Yeah, we'll have to clean these. And let's take out the wire, I mean cable. This is a cable when more wires are in one tube. That's a cable. So this is where the power goes, on this side of the switch. That's good to know. Oh boy. These are all bent and cut, and this is not professional at all. This is bad. So look, this is why I hate these crimp things. You crimp them, but then you get loose wires that break or something. Yeah, it's not optimal. Here you have like 6, 8 wires. That's bad, really bad. So let's see what somebody did here. Spliced in the... Ew. I just want to see this. And then I'll end the video. This is just a teardown, not a fix yet. So let's just see what somebody did here. Oh. More tape. That's always nice. Yeah. Everything is connected the way it's supposed to be. But yeah, I just want to open up one to see what happened, how they did it. Was it professional or less? Okay, I opened it and tada! Well, okay, that's actually good from a scientific standpoint, but that's not up to code at all. Just twisting them together. Yeah, that's bad.